down the problems today, what healthcare practitioners should be looking at, where they can apply AI, and maybe we can get into also why you pick your use case.
So this is basically how my mind worked at that point. Is I'm being a doctor. At some point, I'm a cardiologist. We were listening to heartbeats on the route by putting our ears to the chest of the patient way back. And then we could hear it to a certain amount. And to enhance our hearing, the stethoscope was designed. So our hearing was augmented by the stethoscope. So basically, it's the same with knowledge. Medicine has developed a lot. There's a lot of knowledge out there about medicine. And we try to wrap around it. We learn it. We get education as doctors. And we try to remember this. We practice medicine. And then this is increasing, but our brain isn't. And I see I wanted a tool that could enhance my brain, that could help me, like the same way our hearing was enhanced with the stethoscope. I like a tool that I could have in my pocket as a doctor, in my coat, bedside, that could help me bring basically the knowledge that I have, that there is out there to the patient. So here's all the knowledge. In all the years, all the knowledge has been increasing. Our library has been growing, and we tried to keep up with it by having more doctors. But even though we have more doctors, our brain stays the same. It's the same brain capacity. That doesn't increase. And we put in more hours. But you see, we still have a gap delivering the care to our patients. We are standing between the knowledge and the patient. We are actually transferring this knowledge to the patient, and we are lagging. So I thought, what if artificial intelligence, because, this is what it can add. It can do things better than we can in our brain. It can grasp all this knowledge and bring it to us and start reasoning to a certain part as we do, enhancing, augmenting my brain, making it possible for us to do more work with less doctors and to go from a lot of time to less time. And in the end, improve the quality of care of our patients.